Okay. Um, I'm here feeding my bees again. I was here last Sunday. Today is Thursday, and there is still quite a bit of sugar water. So I'm just going to pull this up and see what's going on, if they're up there. Yep, they are. Hmm, they're doing good. Well, so I'll probably check it every day this week to see when exactly they're running out now. Because in the beginning, when I first got the bees, I was having to replenish the sugar water every 2 to 3 days. And now um, the time between feedings is lengthening. So we'll go here around the front and just take a look. They know I'm here because as soon as they sensed me, they started getting a little bit agitated. And I'm not going to give them any smoke because they're just doing what bees do. Yeah. Weird thing is, and I don't know why, maybe somebody can tell me, a couple of these bees have been coming up to the house, um, which is something they just started doing. So I don't know why they're doing that. Let's see. Super busy. I know this is long and drawn out, but I appreciate everyone sticking around. This will pay off. Thank you for visiting. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.